welcome to the 6G technology session. In this session, we are going to review the key technological element which is required to realize the 6G network. The idea behind this 6G network is to fulfill the requirement of fully connected world and provide ubiquitous wireless connectivity for all. Here, the fully connected world represents everything, anything connected in the internet. Key performance indicators are listed here. We can see the 6G targets 1000 gigabits per second, whereas the 5G is targeted 20 gigabits per second, and it is targeting achieving the peak spectral efficiency of 60 bits per second per hertz. And the experienced spectral efficiency is targeted at least 3 bits per second per hertz. The maximum channel bandwidth is targeted to achieve is 100 GHz. The system latency is another element which is targeted in 6G, which is going to be reduced from 1 millisecond, which is in the 5G, to 0.1 millisecond. Energy efficiency is another element that is targeted in 6G, which is targeted as a 1 in 6G. When I say energy efficiency 1, it will take 1 joule of energy to achieve 1 terabit data rate. Reliability is another key element which is targeted in 6G, which is targeting 10 power minus 9 packet error rate. Mobility is another key element that is targeted by 6G, which is trying to provide good quality of communication even the user is on mobility of 1000 km per hour. On itself, 6G trying to improve all key parameter indicators of wireless network into a big number. To achieve this big number of key performance indicator, we require many technologies. We are going to review those technologies in this video. There are 8 key elements of technology which is going to be incorporated into 6G network. 8 key technology are required to realize the target performance and the objective of the 6G networks. Number 1, a network which is operated on terahertz bandwidth with wider spectral bandwidth is one of the key elements in 6G network. Number 2, the intelligent communication environment where the wave propagated on the environment can be controlled in a required manner, a constructive manner. It will result in the constructive multipath signal at the receiver end. And third one is pervasive artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence technique will be implemented throughout the network in order to realize the global optimization of the network. And fourth element is large scale network automation. The network automation is another key element where entire process of network will be automated to enable to meet the heterogeneous demand of various applications QAS. And fifth element is all spectral reconfigure front end for dynamic spectral access. Since the 6G network is a heterogeneous network which consists of various type of network and applications, we require a front end which can be reconfigured for any spectral band or any parameter of operations to meet the heterogeneous application QAS demand. And the sixth element is ambient backscattering communications. It is another element which try to utilize the available radio spectrum energies to make a secondary communication link without any additional power spent on communications. And the seventh element is Internet of Space Things, where the space satellites will be utilized as a part of the network and the UAV also will be participate as a part of the network. And the last element is cell-free massive MIMO communication networks, which is nothing but networked MIMO or collaborative MIMO. Thank you. I hope the video is useful and given an insight the technologies which is required to realize this 6G networks